Hello everyone, in this video we will configure our custom portal which we have created in Service Portal Part 1 video. So for this, click on Portals module under Service Portal menu. Click on your custom portal. For this service portal, our home page is demo_page. This is the page users will see first when they sign in. Let's check this first. Save your updates. For testing purpose, I have created a user. This user doesn't have any role. Make this service portal as your primary portal. So for this, you have to click on this checkbox and save your updates. Log out and sign in with test user credentials. Now you can see it is working fine. To test this functionality, your URL should be instance name and the suffix should be your URL suffix, which is described here. Now we will attach a knowledge base with our portal. So for this portal, I have attached a knowledge base as IT. So you can see the articles related to this knowledge base on the portal. Select a knowledge base here where all the questions and answers asked by the users should be stored. So I have selected a knowledge base as Social QA. Here you can select a home page which users see when they go to knowledge base. Here you can select your landing page for users authentication. If you want to add logo for your portal, so here you can add your logo. Here you can select a page which will display when a page is not loading properly. Here you can select the catalog you want to use in portal. Here you can select the page users see when they select service catalog. In this portion you can select a menu which will display in the header of your portal. This is the header of your portal. This is a theme which will define the style of branding for your portal. Save it and refresh your portal. Now you can see the menu has been updated for your portal. I have updated the logo and icon for this portal. And if you want to see the icon, then You can see the icon for your portal under the window tab. This is the icon and this is the title for my portal. The title which I have described here. Now we will configure our home page. So for this, click on this icon and open the record. Open your page in Designer. This is how we have configured our page in Service Portal Part 1 video. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. Add one more container. Select container. Click on plus icon. Now we have 3 containers for our demo page. The same you can see here. Container 1, container 2 and container 3. Now we will add the wizard in container. Drag this wizard and drop in the container. Set the properties for your wizard. Then click on wizard and click on this icon. Give the title as and save it. If you want to edit the container properties, then select container and click on this icon. Set the background color as blue. And save the ambitions. If you want to preview it, click on this preview. This is how your portal looks. Now add icon link wizard. To edit the properties for this wizard, click on this icon. If you want, it should refer or it should navigate to another page, then click on this page and select the page here. Give the title as order. Bootstrap color should be success. And select the glimpse as search. And save it. Refresh your portal. This is how it looks. Do the same with this icon link wizard. Select the type as KB category. Maybe category should be email. Glimpse as and save it. This is how it looks. Refresh your URL. We'll add one row having 2 columns. In this column, we will add popular questions, visit, and in this column, we will add cool clock. Refresh your URL and click on Ask a Question button. Write your question title. And give a description for your question here. And submit it. Once your question is submitted, then you can see this question under your social QA knowledge base. Open this knowledge base. So for this, search knowledge base in your left navigator. You can see here. This is the way we can configure our visit. Thank you so much for watching this video.